I'm Lori from RecipeGirl.com. The inspiration for this recipe comes from a vacation that we were on in New England. We were on a Thanksgiving holiday visiting relatives, and I needed to bring a pie that was not a fruit pie or a pumpkin pie to Thanksgiving. So I came up with this chocolate cream pie to bring, and it was a huge hit. In a medium saucepan, you're going to whisk together some sugar, some flour, some cornstarch, and some salt. Then you're going to get out a medium bowl and you're going to use an electric mixer to combine 2 cups of whole milk and 4 egg yolks. Gradually whisk the milk and the eggs into the saucepan to combine with the sugar mixture. Turn the heat up to medium and continue to whisk that mixture until the mixture starts to thicken. Pull the pan off the heat, and then you're going to stir in chopped unsweetened chocolate, a tablespoon of butter, and a teaspoon of vanilla. Whisk until the chocolate is fully incorporated, and then you're going to pour the chocolate custard into your baked pie shell. Set it aside to cool completely. If you're serving it the same day, go ahead and whip some cream with some sugar and spread it on top of the chocolate layer, and shave curls of chocolate onto the whipped cream. Refrigerate it for several hours until you're ready to serve. If you're serving it tomorrow, you can place plastic wrap over the pie and then add the whipped cream and shaved chocolate the next day. To shave the chocolate bar, I like to soften up the chocolate a little bit before shaving. I just place it on a paper towel, microwave it for about 5 seconds, then take a potato peeler and shave the edges of the bar to gather some shavings on top of the whipped cream. When you're cutting your slices of pie, you'll see the chocolate layer and the cream layer and those chocolate shavings. Slice into it and you're really going to get a sense at how creamy and wonderful this pie is. For this chocolate cream pie recipe, visit RecipeGirl.com.